Proton Persona installed for Cogoo new series HD series 2018 CG-HD02 6.95 inch HD USB DVD universal player with OEM power socket for Proton and OEM casing for Proton Persona. Got a USB slot. Okay, and an SD card slot. Okay, connect Bluetooth, pairing with your phone. USB, a radio. Aux video input and output, steering wheel control, equalizer, audio adjust, brightness, volume, picture, you can change the background. Setting, and a reverse camera input included. So 6.95 inch USB DVD HD player installed by WinCE. Thank you.